Have you ever imagined enjoying a delicious, healthy cake with no sugar, no flour, and ready in just 25 minutes? If you're tired of complicated recipes or want a dessert that combines flavor, convenience, and lightness, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn ripe bananas, cocoa, and walnuts into a fluffy and irresistible cake that will win over your taste buds and impress everyone. Want to know the secret to a nutritious dessert without flour, without sugar, and that still feels like a warm hug? Stay with me until the end, because this recipe will change the way you see healthy cakes. Here's everything you need: 3 ripe bananas, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 eggs, 125 grams of lightly chopped walnuts, 8 grams of baking powder, and for the topping, 100 grams of 50% cocoa chocolate and 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. Simple, right? Let's get to it. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. That ensures the cake bakes just right. In a large bowl, mash 3 ripe bananas until it turns into a smooth puree. These bananas are the base of our cake, bringing natural sweetness. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder and stir until smooth. Lightly beat 2 eggs and mix them into the batter. Stir well to incorporate everything. Mix 125 grams of chopped walnuts into the batter. Then add 8 grams of baking powder and stir gently to make it even. Grease a small baking pan, pour the batter in, and put it in the oven. Bake for 25 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. The cake is ready when the surface is firm and a toothpick comes out almost clean. Meanwhile, let's prepare the topping. Melt 100 grams of 50% cocoa chocolate in a double boiler or in the microwave in 20-second intervals. Then mix in 3 tablespoons of heavy cream until it's shiny and creamy. Let the cake cool for a few minutes before removing from the pan. Pour the topping over the cake and spread with a spatula. The texture is fluffy, the flavor is rich with the cocoa and walnuts, and this chocolate topping takes it to another level. Perfect for a snack or dessert, so are you drooling yet? This recipe is so easy and delicious you'll want to make it today. And if you're looking for simple and tasty recipes to help you lose weight without giving up flavor, the Slim Savor eBook, 30 Easy Global Recipes to Lose Weight Without Giving Up Flavor, brings incredible and super easy dishes. The link is in the description. Check it out later. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, share it with someone who loves a healthy cake, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes. Tell me in the comments, what's your special touch for cakes? See you next time.